I'm a filmmaker, and when the water starts to boil, it's like the scene is set. Pesto Genovese. The scent alone deserves its own end credits. A dish with nothing to prove and everything to offer. Every dish has a story, and this one doesn't begin in the kitchen, but in the field. The Italian port city of Genoa. Narrow alleyways, marble facades, and a history that made the world taste basil differently. Centuries ago, sailors brought a few elements together like a well-cast ensemble. Simple but unforgettable. And like every good opening shot, this one leads us straight to the star of the scene: basil. In Liguria, they've grown it for centuries in the salty breeze of the coast. Locals swear that the best leaves are picked before sunrise, when the oils are still shy and sweet. So first, basil, still cool from the market. When it hits the bowl, you can almost hear the perfume break free. Then garlic. Peel it gently. If it smells sharp now, it'll sing once it hits the mortar. A generous pour of extra virgin olive oil. It flows the way good stories do. Slow at first, then unforgettable. And Parmesan, freshly grated, never pre-grated. The air is part of its texture, a quiet snowfall of umami. Meanwhile, the stage shifts to the pasta, a hill of flour as classic as a white shot. Press your fingers in gently, a small crater to hold what's coming. The eggs follow. Crack them into the center. This is the moment you have been waiting for. With a fork, draw flour into the yolk. Slowly, don't rush this. The dough should come together like a story that knows where it's going. If it sticks too much, a sprinkle of flour fixes everything. Now the real work. The dough tightens beneath your palms, slowly pushing back. A quiet sign you're doing it right. Rolled out, stretched thin. The pasta machine does the choreography, but it's your rhythm that sets the pace. Wide ribbons, smooth, silky, a little elastic. This is where humble ingredients become something elegant. Back to the mortar. Basil gets crushed. The scent, like opening a window to the coast. Pine nuts join in. The rhythm guitar to a solo. Keep the pressure steady. They will surrender their oils. Freshly grated Parmesan steps in again. Texture thickens, flavor deepens. A bit more olive oil, a whisper of salt, a crack of pepper. Now grind until it shines. The pesto must feel creamy, not slick. The pesto meets its match. Fresh pasta, hot from the pot. A spoonful of cooking water ties them together like dialogue that just clicks. I'm a filmmaker. I've spent a lifetime looking for beauty out there. But sometimes it's waiting right here, between flour and your fingertips. Follow the tasty cinema, and let's keep finding the world's best stories on a plate together.